Hello friends, this is Akhil Matthew presenting my C++ ninth experiment, that is using friend function. We have to make a class called time and initialize hours, minutes and second as 0. Then we need to add to time using using friend operator, this plus sign operator. As a friend function we have to add two times and display the time. So let's see the program. We are making a class called time and declaring three int type variables, hours, minutes and second, and a constructor time to initialize hours, minutes and second with 0, a get function to input hour, minutes and second, and a display function to display each hours, minutes and second. Then we are just declaring our function. We are not defining it, we are just declaring our friend function time by giving keyword operator as plus sign is an operator. Plus sign is an operator in the C++ programming language, and this time is used to show the return data type of this function operator. And this includes two that arguments of time type. So it's we have declaring it inside, and now let's see, we have defined this function outside the class. This is time, which gives us the return type of this function operator keyword plus symbol, and we are using time t1 and time t2 for it. And here we are declaring a temp type variable of time type, and here we are giving that temp is a t3. Basically it's a t3 that we have to return after the function runs. And here temp dot second is equal to t1 dot second plus t2 dot second. If there is here is the main thing, that if the temp dot second is greater than 60, then the greater than 60, then 10 t1 plus will be increased by 1, and temp dot second will be equal to 0. And if temp dot minute is equal to t1 dot minute plus t2 dot minute. If temp dot minute is greater than equal to 0, then t2 hours plus is equal to 1, that is hours will be increased by 1 and temp dot minute will be equal to 0. And temp dot hours is equals to t1 hours plus t2 hours, and here we return our t3, that is the final time that we need. And here is the main function, it's the int type main function, and here we are declaring three time objects. We are declaring three objects of time type t1, t2 and t3. Here we are showing our initial time, as we have to show the constructor that initially what was the time. Here we are displaying the time, and enter first time, we are entering the first time, and here we are entering the second time t3. And then this function t3 is equal to t1 plus t2. Here t3 is the return type and plus sign is the operator or the function, and t1 and t2 both are the arguments. We have to be find here that t1 and t2 both are the arguments. Unlike the operator overloading we have done here, there was only t2 was the only that argument there, but here t1 and t2 both are the arguments, and then we display our return our t3 and return 0. Let's see how the function runs. Yeah, it's asking us here it's basically showing us the initial time. See, it's 000. It's asking us to enter the first time. Let's set to it's showing this time. See, 11, 60 and 60. Thank you.